Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I know it's been a long time since I came with a new video, and by now you may have forgotten me and my channel also, but today I will present a very beautiful video in front of you, inshallah. Hope this will help you a little bit to get a good score. So let's get started. Writing task 2. This is the main topic of our video today, and so start now. You can see here is a question of task 2, and let's read it. Okay, some people argue that the government should prioritize spending on public services such as health care and education, while others believe that investment in infrastructure such as roads and bridges is more crucial. So you need to discuss both these views and give your opinion. But before this, we will discuss something else, what it is. That is the thesis-led essay. Yes, this is the main thing we will learn today. This, the other name of this is argumentative essay. So let's go. So listen to me very carefully, because I am going to tell you the whole think about the thesis-led essay, and you should listen very carefully, because it will help you to get a good score. Okay, you need to know the rules and regulation of thesis-led essay. So listen to me very carefully. The thesis-led essay is different. You are a lawyer, not a judge. You are not looking at both sides. You are only looking at one side. Likewise, give the reader the context of the background. The first sentence of this essays, argumentative-led and thesis-led, could look exactly the same, but where it is different in the thesis-led is that we need a personal opinion. We need to know that you have already made a decision about what you think. Can you give the reader an impersonal opinion? Can you give one? Yes, you can, but you have to make sure that you will give me a personal opinion. So it is okay for you to say some people think going abroad brings advantage, however I believe that it causes a lot of problems. Then what do? Body paragraphs will be a little bit different. In an argument led, you will have two paragraphs. One is about advantage, the other one might be about disadvantage. If we talk about the advantage of studying abroad, we might talk about education. We can talk about new cultures, and we can talk about the chance to be more mature. You can talk all of these in one body paragraph in an argument led. However, in a thesis led, each one of these is going to become a supportive paragraph, a smaller paragraph but a supportive paragraph. So a little bit different. You might see one introduction paragraph, two body paragraphs, and one conclusion paragraph. Conclusion rephrases paraphrase yourself. Okay, rephrase and summarize your points. In conclusion, going abroad is becoming very popular. I think it's a good idea for children to go overseas because it increases the chances of getting a better education, gain access to different cultures, and becoming more mature. So this is a sample of conclusion. You need to watch it very carefully. Okay, do you need to give examples in your essay? No need. If you are a very good writer with over 300 words in 40 minutes, you can give examples in your essay. However, if you have a hard time writing over 300 words in 40 minutes and being accurate with your grammar, I would say that you should avoid many specific examples. Okay. And when it comes to the introduction, no surprise here. I'm going to tell you something. Okay, listen to me very carefully. So this is in recent decades there has been tremendously economic development, Is that true? Yes. However, the gap between the rich and the poor nations remains considerable. Is that true? Yes. What structure am I using here? Concession and contrast. It's true that people make more money, however, there are still a lot of poor people in the world. So I'm saying something is true, however, something else is true. You can use concession and contrast in your introduction, your body paragraphs, as well as in your conclusion. You can use it everywhere. Don't try to show the reader how smart you are. Don't write like a writer. Try to be clear. Why should you use might, may, could, can? To show something that can happen, don't make a statement sound like 100% or 0%. Show that things are possible by saying maybe it could, maybe it can. A system of a wealthy nation could be very beneficial because it may be the best chance to develop. The first sentence of each paragraph, we should tell the reader what the topic is. Tell the reader what you think about the topic. Keep your ideas short, clear, and well linked and well signaled because, for instance, moreover, it helps everyone understand your writing. Okay, I hope you understand me. So now let's see the thesis-led easy structure. Remember, there is no big difference between thesis-led and argument-led. The only difference is the organization and where the information is. The first paragraph will be obviously the introduction. Introduction. What do we want to have in the introduction? The context. Personal opinion usually be written following the impersonal opinions. Body paragraphs. No personal opinion in the body paragraph. Body paragraph 1, 2 or 3 points only. Body paragraph 2, there is also 2 or 3 points. Okay. And now conclusion. Restate the context in the introduction. Okay. So this is all the structure. And now here we come back. Here is our question. Now let's see the answer of this question. Okay, so here a band 9 sample answer. Okay, so watch it very carefully. This is the first prayer. In today's rapidly evolving society, the allocation of government funds is a subject of ongoing debate. While some argue that directing resources towards essential public services, including healthcare and education, is paramount, others believe that infrastructure development, such as the construction of roads and bridges, should take precedence. In my opinion, a balanced approach, strategically distributing funds to both sectors, is the key to fostering a well-rounded and prosperous society. Okay, this is the first para. And the second one is, on one hand, proponents of prioritizing public services emphasize the immediate and tangible benefits they bring to citizens' well-being. Adequate funding in healthcare ensures a healthy population, reducing the burden on the healthcare system in the long run. Similarly, investments in education empower individuals, equipping them with the skills necessary for personal growth and contributing to the nation's economic development. On the other hand, advocates for infrastructure development argue that a robust physical foundation is essential for sustained progress. Improved transportation networks, for instance, facilitate efficient movement of goods and people, bolstering economic activities. Additionally, well-maintained infrastructure enhances the overall quality of life, attracting investments and fostering a positive environment for both residents and businesses. However, a pragmatic perspective acknowledge the interconnectedness of public services and infrastructure. Neglecting one in favor of the other may result in an imbalance that hampers overall social advancement. For instance, a nation with state-of-the-art infrastructure but a poorly functioning healthcare and education system risks uh, facing health crises and a skill deficient workforce, undermining its long-term prospects. In conclusion, the debate over government spending should not be framed, framed as an either or scenario between public services and infrastructure. A judicious distribution of funds that addresses both aspects is crucial for fostering a society that is healthy, educated, and economically resilient. Striking this balance will contribute to the holistic development and well-being of the nation. Okay, so this is all our uh, question and the sample answer. Now a little homework for you, and homework is a question here. You can see this is a question which is provided by Learn English with Junayet. I mean myself. It's me. So the question is: some people argue that technological advancements have greatly improved communication and connectivity, while others believe that they have led to increased isolation and a breakdown to face-to-face interactions. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage of the impact of technology on interpersonal relationships. Okay, don't worry. If you can't answer it, I will give you the answer in my next video. I will give you the answer which is band 9 sample answer. So like and subscribe. Thank you so much.